Nakitlong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit parpasngam. Ka beats aqua. Shpausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jelang ba Presiden Tensong ulapan tep hapok ke ying dorbar bentak sengi baka sorkar kadang syam jenge banchna surok folin nalat umroy syamaulai ban poi hadu relbong ha ke jing shisha kelapan kre banchna ya ke elevated road ne banchna surok hajrong henre kala syamba kamla ban long kumta menta kala bishar sakwe kalat berkata kalong banchna surok folin la ne banchna double lane kaba he khat armita ya kani uba presto nula juba phalor ka jingkali kabla wan rau MLA kamaulai uba bright star well marbanyang hapok ying dor bar menta ka sngi.
I would like to know whether provisions for footpaths, street lights and foot overbridge in certain intersection along this stretch, whether those will be included within the DPR.
Yes, sir. Certainly, sir.
Artin Basami.
Sir, may I know from the Honourable Minister whether there is any encroachment to the right of way along this stretch, sir?
So while the repairing and maintenance work is on, which is being again undertaken by NHIDCL, yes, we were informed that few challenges happened in few stretch of this entire approach from Shillong up to Lat Umroi, where even the construction of footpath all along the road is not allowed by few landowners.
No, sir. My question is whether there is an encroachment into the right of way. Because when the government acquire land, it has also included the right of way so that no public can encroach into the right of way. And I think that is the main problem where the government is facing for widening the road, not only in this stretch, but in many other roads, sir.
Yes, sir. We do have these few challenges like that in few stretch, in few portion. It is there, sir. Yes.
So, sir, my question is, what are the steps being taken by the government in order to prevent the encroachment into the right of way in some other areas also? Because as we can see, there is always a tendency of the people, to encroach whenever there is a road, almost to the right of way, sir.
Sir, we have already instructed the district administration, the DC revenue, to take necessary steps in removing this so-called illegal encroaching of those ROW, and the district collector is on the job in doing that, sir.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Sir, as it was rightly stated by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, that the stretch from Maulai up to this Umsherpi Bridge is the most congested stretch. Sir, I want to know the mind of the government, whether the government would think, because Deputy Chief Minister has rightly stated that it's meeting many challenges, we understand, due to the congestion. Will the government examine, sir, to have an alternative road from Maulai via Sunapani behind Nongkwar portion and then come towards Umsherpi Bridge? If this alternative route can be constructed, this congestion will be eased for the entire Shillong, sir. Will the government?
Yes, sir. Again, I think during the reply, I did mention specifically about this, that the 4-lane we would like to have a greenfield project, which means that it will avoid the entire existing road, and we will create a new complete alignment, which will ultimately meeting even the intention of the honourable member who raised this supplementary question, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You have put already
Just one more. Mr. Speaker, sir, to you. I would like to put one more supplementary question. Whether there is a plan from the government to construct an alternative route from Maoyong via the boundary of Nehu till Jingkiang Solang. If that can be explored, that will be another way to decongest this main road, which is very congested, sir.
Sir, I think the submission made by the honourable member, I will examine it, because see, right now, sir, we are really concerned about the challenges that we have, especially the traffic movement here in Shillong town. So wherever possible, wherever the land is available, we will try our best, sir, to make sure that diversification of traffic as much as possible will be done, sir.
Sir. Sorry. Oh, yes, please. Dr. Celestine, please.
So this question relates to National Highway 6 from Jorabat to Meetmendru via Shillong bypass. In the last session, I have raised the demands and the needs for foot over bridges in Riboy district, in Bernihat, Nongpo and Umsning, where the discussion with the DC said that the funding will have to come from MORTH, where I requested the Honorable Chief Minister to take up with it. Now, if that fund is not forthcoming, will the state government provide the funds for construction of those foot over bridges? Because it is the need of the hour. That is A. And B, in the Umsning bypass stretch of the road, there is one road which goes as underpass, the road going to 0 Point. So there is a bridge, and on the right wing and the left wing there is a connecting road, which neither the NHAI has made nor the state government. So will the state government provide funds for that? Because it is hardly 100 meters total, 50 meters on the left, 50 meters on the right to connect. So A, will the government provide the foot over bridges if the MORTH does not provide the funds? B, will the state government provide funds to connect the right wing and the left wing of the bridge to connect the old road going to, not old, existing road going to 0 Point to the highway? Thank you, sir.
Sir, in fact, the entire stretch of NH6 from Jorabat up to Lat Umroi is being taken care of by Nahai. In fact, series of meetings were held with the Nahai authority relating to the flood, recurring of flood in the portions like Bernihat, then Nongpo, and even some portion happens in Umsning. So, sir, in fact, the latest information I got, estimate has been already submitted, and now Nahai is only waiting for the necessary sanction from the Ministry of Road Transport so that the solution is reached as far as these challenges that we have throughout. Whenever the monsoon starts, these challenges happen. That is point number one. And number two, sir, as far as Umsning bypass is concerned, that junction where the Honourable MLA of Umsning mentioned, let me again take it up with the Nahai authority. In case if the fund is not supported by the Ministry of Road Transport, we will examine how to go about it, that we will make sure these challenges is resolved.
Get bored and hungry, can't put our minds to rest. Need something quick and easy, got no time to wait. Something delicious, something different from the rest. It's so delicious, delicious. Wanna get something yummy, just get some yummy. Wanna get something
snack partner.